All right, this is number 9. Let's go ahead and try A. Okay, let's try this one here. It's a piecewise function. We're supposed to graph by hand, so um, we're gonna go ahead and do this in parts. So let's go ahead and do this is A, but we're gonna deal with this first, that part of the function, knowing that this is true for x is less than -2. So what I tend to do on these is I tend to make a table. And I'm going to start with -2 over here. And then let's go to like -3 maybe, and maybe -4. That should be plenty. There's possibly another approach, but let's try this first. So -4 squared is 16. 16 take away 1 is 15. -3 squared is 9. 9 take away 1 is 8. -2 squared is 4. Take away 1 is 5. And I'll just do a rough sketch down here. Hopefully it's not incredibly rough because we've got some pieces that we have to connect. And so I'm going to go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 15. And of course, I'm eyeballing this, so it's fairly imperfect. -3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if I counted correctly there. And -2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might be, so that's as far as that piece goes. And this is gonna go, I'm gonna do my best here to connect those. It may be worth knowing that this curve kind of keeps going this way. But really the only piece that we are really needing to worry about, and I'm going to just kind of see if I can darken it a little bit more, is this end. The only other issue is to know that this should be an open circle. Okay, so hopefully I've done an okay enough job. I might even go a little thicker on the thing, but all right, so let's go ahead and do part B. I'm sorry, the second part, which is f of x is 3x plus 2. So again, just make a table and start from -2, and it's going to go all the way to 2. So if we do -1, 0, 1, and 2, that's definitely going to be plenty. 3 times -2 is -6 plus 2 is -4. 3 times -1 is -3 plus 2 is a -1. And then if you see the pattern, you're adding 3. So this is 2, this is 5, and this is 8. You almost just have to do the first one, -2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one, which is 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You almost just need to do those because it is a straight line. So that looks a little better, obviously, but still not perfect. Also know that on this end, we should draw an open circle. That's probably the tool I should have used on this side too. And then the last piece is is the square root of x plus 2, that's f of x. And we're going to start at 2. And then maybe go to 4. Although actually there's a better move on that one. Maybe we should, I think the 2 is going to work out, but then I think we probably want to go to 7, because when you plug in a 2, it's 2 plus 2 and the square root of 2 is 4. I'm sorry, the 2 plus 2 is 4, the square root of 4 is 2. My brain's going a little faster. 7 plus 2 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So if I plug in a 7, I get a 3, and I lost my 2 there. So 2, 2. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. And if you know how these work, they're curved and they kind of go that way. So that would be good enough for completing this problem.